Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so Reggae Sumfest 2022 night one, and I'm here with the lovely Inhalemee. And boy, you could have a better name because right now you smell good.
I mean that.
No man, you smell good. Like where you have on? So you have the sparkly there.
So it's a mix with Baccarat and some spray I get at Bath and Body Works.
You smell like a day spa, a nice spa, like you luxuriate. Jesus, people can tell say your lotion all in your crevices.
All in my crevices.
All the crevices.
All
over.
the elbow there.
Alright, so what brings you out here today to Reggae Sumfest? A Chiney came bother you?
It was definitely Chiney because she put me up to this.
So how did you put your look together? Like
So,
what went through your mind?
Honestly, this is a dress, but I cut it off and made it a headpiece and then a little top here. These are my shorts I had in my suitcase and I just threw it all together.
Yeah.
I should have worn flats. My feet hurt.
Oh gosh, how long are you here for? Because you've been here for a while. I see you gyrating during Carnival.
I don't want to leave. Can I stay?
Of course you can stay. You can stay, most definitely stay. Like who is one artist on the lineup that I guess you are excited to see here today?
Well, I saw Shansi. I love her to death since the beginning. She's just amazing. So happy. And then Spice. She killed it too.
Okay. Favorite Shansi song?
I don't. So fucking many. Oh my God, you put me on the spot.
Favorite Shansi song?
Baby love, be my love.
Like
Underneath
good.
top. Good. Come in, friend.
But you can't relate? Is it
Yes.
is it that you can't relate to it?
We say yes, my love. Would you love?
Yeah. No man trying to care you for the better now. You can't
Y-E-N-G.
Y'all can't see me, young cause problem.
Alright, so now say right now the two one have good comfort.
I mean,
Two one is good comfort.
very much so. Hello. Pillow top.
Alright, so before we leave, we just want to play a little rapid game. So it's called Last, okay?
Okay.
So let's go. Ready? Last time you kissed.
Last time, yesterday.
Whoa.
8 months ago.
Oh, wow. The last time that you cried.
Yesterday.
Yes.
The last time that you got totally wasted.
That was been a minute. Maybe like last week. Last time she was here, maybe like 3 weeks ago.
Same, because I was with her.
Last time on a dugu. Yes.
Thursday. I joke.
Mine was 8 months ago when I kissed, but I've known since then. Lord of God. Lord, I'm doing this for you.
I'm not
Celibacy, Mr.
I'm not believing this. You're totally lying.
Right? God?
8 months?
8 months.
Oh wow.
I'd like to change my answer, please. Let's go to 9 months.
No, friend. You said yesterday.
I lied.
I was there. I heard the banging. It was like boom, bum, bum, bum.
Hotel room knockings. Alright, so that's it. Reggae Sumfest. Inhalemee and Chiney. Take care.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.